Hello. Today we are going to paint this funny chicken leg monster. For this you need a piece of paper and some colored pencils. So here we go. We start in the lower half of the paper. Here we first paint the shoes and then work our way up. We draw a horizontal line and then we connect both ends in a large arc. Now let's paint the laces into this shoe. It's easy. And the right shoe is ready. We continue with the second shoe, which is just a little more difficult. It's best to watch me draw for a moment, and then paint everything on your own piece of paper. In this second shoe we also paint the 3 laces. When you're done, we'll continue painting. Now let's paint the leg with the 2 arms. We start with a long curved stroke on the left side. Something like here in my drawing. I continue with my left hand. My monster only gets 4 fingers. When you're done, we'll paint your right hand. And at the same height as the left hand. Let's go. Now let's paint the arms. I'll start with my right arm. And then I paint the left arm. That looks pretty good. In any case, I'm quite satisfied with my drawing so far. I hope you are too. Let's move on to the second side of the chicken leg. We still have to paint that. And then finish later with the protruding bone at the top. Now let's paint the bone. It reminds me a bit of a heart shape. Do you know what I mean? Okay, let's get to the face now. I want to paint a very big mouth, with big teeth and with drool coming out of the mouth. This looks so cute. But the eyes are still missing. We're going to paint them now. First, I paint 2 large ovals. And in each of them I place a large and a small circle. And finally, I draw an eyebrow over each eye. Then our chicken leg drawing is finished and can be colored. As always, I made the outer lines of my chicken leg monster thicker with a pencil. So I like my little monster even better. If you want, you can watch me coloring the picture. However, this part of the video is faster. Nevertheless, you can see how I colored my picture piece by piece. You'll see the colors I used. And you can also see that I don't just paint a surface once. Sometimes I paint over it a second or even third time. I had a little problem with the green one. The paint was almost empty. And my pen just wouldn't paint anymore. That's why I painted over the shoes again with the color yellow. I hope I entertained you well with my video. Maybe you were able to pick up some nice ideas and use them for yourself. And thank you for watching my video. Bye and see you soon.